So meme coins are super hot right now, especially the ones trending over on Solana. So in today's video, I kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of a portfolio update and talk about the coins that I'm holding and coins that I have very high expectations for. And don't worry, none of these coins are paying me to talk about them. These are all my personal findings and my personal holdings. So of course, do your own research, and this video is not financial advice at all. All right, so first things first, I do want to go through the positions tab on BullX. If you guys do want to sign up on BullX and save 10% on trading fees, use my referral link down below. It'll also let you skip the wait list. But throughout that, bro, we have been hitting some massive plays on BullX this entire past week throughout streams and calls in Discord and everything in between. One of our biggest plays and positions of the week had to have been Purple Pepe. We got this token in at around a $44 million market cap, and we saw a massive 3-4x run up all the way to $140 million. We did take like a 3x here on our initial input, and of course we're riding that moon bag, as I really want to see this token take off, and it is on a little bit of a detrace now, so I might be doubling my position here, although we already have a pretty good price at around 44 mil, and of course I did already take profit on majority of my tokens. I'm just holding the rest for that moon bag, as I do believe this could hit like a 120 to $200 million market cap yet again, as it's already proven to hit there once, but there is a little bit of resistance right now. The token is over a year old, and they have been growing on Twitter for quite some time. People are even getting tattoos now, as this token has just been kind of blowing up. But other than that, bro, there's been so much support and so many things going on throughout this entire ecosystem of the Purple Pepe meme that I think it could live for a long time on the Solana network. Next up, in news of Pepe's, we have Yellow Pepe, which was recently just dumped by the dev. He only sold $6,000 worth of tokens, which honestly on a market cap and liquidity pool like this is not that big of a deal. Looking through like some of the top holders, it is at 15%, which isn't awful for this current market cap. There are a few insider wallets which could still be the dev a part of it, but who knows, man. The community and volume of this token have shown insane movement. We currently got in at 877k just a few hours ago, and it's currently sitting at around 1.95 mil with an all-time peak of around 3 million. But as I mentioned, it does look like the developer is selling some of these tokens, so it could be some sort of CTO, or maybe he's like shaking the snipers and the bots that keep getting in. But Purple Pepe, Yellow Pepe, I mean, it's the same sort of meme. It is what it is, but this could run and follow the other positions of certain Pepe memes. So keep your eyes on it if you want to. Another position that we did take today at $1 million market cap live on stream was Dub. We got in at 1.04 mil. It ran up to like, or its all-time high is around 2.5 to 3.2-ish million dollar market cap. Currently sitting at 1.57, so we are in profit with a little bit here, 50% on the day. Not too bad. And my favorite play at the moment has to be Goby, one of the strongest community takeovers we have seen on Solana in a long time, bro. This token is doing the damn thing. Yeah, I have sells on my chart. Don't get mad at me, bro. I gotta take profits, okay? But we are currently up massive on Goby. I called this in my one-of-one group chat, and I called it in my free Discord server as well at 500k market cap. We're currently up 1.81 SOL. We're still holding a moon bag as well, and we got in at 521k. Gotta take profits, bro. I'm still holding Goby. I got a moon bag set and ready to go. I love the token, love the community. They're doing a lot of cool things, and they're working on a game, so that's pretty dope. Because this was a community takeover, right? The developer, the artist, the yada yada yada, they did leave this token behind, and it has been fully adopted by the community, and they're even working on a game where you can kill the developer in the game. You can like jump on his head and squish him and earn coins. So this could be very bullish news. Obviously, play to earn games. I don't even know if it's play to earn. They just have demos out right now. So it looks sick, man. They're putting a lot of effort into it. But yeah, Goby, favorite play at the current moment in time. I think one of my second biggest favorite plays right now would have to be Terry. Terry in the trenches. He's this cute little Squirtle looking turtle thing. He's cute. It's got a lot of volume. It's doing the damn thing. It is moving quite a bit, and it is a very fast chart to follow, but they are very active over on Twitter. The token's been out for about 4 days now. They've already peaked upwards of like $30 million market cap, and there is an official listing for trading over on BullX. So they are getting listings. They are getting a lot of traction and volume. Their Twitter presence is pretty high as well. I believe they might even be on, oh, they're on Bybit now. They got listed on like 3 or 4 different places just today, and there is a lot of movement behind Terry in the trenches. I've got a little bit of a moon bag behind it. I'm holding on to it for now. So hey, do what you want with that information, man. Check it out for yourselves. And I gotta talk about my girl VVIFU. We originally bought into VVIFU at around $130 million market cap. This was pretty high for the time being. It was an AI agent token. It's like this platform you can burn their token to get fake AI Twitter accounts to like run tokens and run accounts. It's a pretty cool process. However, TikTok trend kind of took over the AI meta for a little while, which it is what it is. But I do believe in VVIFU coming back very strong. Currently at 82 mil. Our average is 97. It's a little high. I'm obviously down right now, but we did make a pretty dope trade on stream the other day where we got back in at a dip at around 50, sold at around 77.80, took a little bit of profit back and lowered our cost average. Dasha terminal ran by the VVIFU.fund. This is going to be an AI generated VVIFU account. They do run the AI agents through their terminal, and you can check that out for yourself if you're interested. But this is literally just an AI Twitter account that just spams tweets, and they're really testing the limits with AI with it. So if AI is your thing, look deeper into it for yourself. Other than that, a few other trades we are currently holding. I'm holding Zoe. Zoe has a pretty strong CTO community going on here. Census, we did take a couple of trades and lower our dollar cost average on here. Got 2 trades right here for the buys, and then I sold right here at a little bit of a nice little top trend. Currently, we are just below our average price, which is not too bad after taking a little bit of profits. So it's doing all right. I heard a lot of things about Lobby or Luby or however you pronounce this one today on stream. We're in at 2.13. It's currently at 2.5. It's a little slow, a little bit of a sleeper right now. Pretty low volume on the past hour. It's not terrible, but apparently it's like followed by a bunch of Bored Ape people or something, and it's made by the developer or like the artist of GTA games or a Rockstar senior artist. So that could be cool. I mean, I don't know how much it carries over nowadays with him being a part of Rockstar, but he's running a Memecoin, so I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I like the play. It could do a little 2x, 3x. I'm not too sure. And then other than that, we do have a few other holdings that are still currently in the red. I do like this play. I don't know if I can say the word on YouTube. It's the C word, so you know what I mean? But this is ran by a very big developer in the Solana space who has worked on many projects and has been around doing like SaaS and services for a very long time throughout Solana. And they have a pretty cool gamified, I don't really want to call it gamified, but it's a pretty cool burn system where you can use their tokens to kind of play around with it on their website. It's not bad right now. We did kind of buy in here. I guess it says I bought high. 370K average. We're down barely anything. We could have sold at a pretty good profit of like 934. Let me make the chart a little smaller. This thing was pretty much up massive. We got in here at around 370K is what I bought at. It ran up to like 930 the same day. I should have swung and taken profits, but you know, it is what it is, bro. But at the moment, those are my holdings. That's pretty much everything that I have going on for me. We're also in Cappy, which it's moving a little bit. It's not too crazy. But yeah, Goby, Terry, VVIFU, Pepe, Yelpy. I like those the most right now. They're kind of like my more longer term plays. Like I'm going to take profits and swing them in and out and go for like more of a DCA strategy. But I'm definitely going to hold those for longer than some of the others. But yo, if you enjoyed content like this, please come through to a stream. We stream every single day for around 3 to 4 hours per session, and we're live on this channel right here. So subscribe and use my BullX link down below if you want to skip the waitlist and save 10% on all trading fees. Thanks a lot for watching. Drop a like and subscribe. Comment down below some of your favorite coins as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.